Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can chat with your friends in Roblox on mobile. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course ensure that you're already logged into your account, and next what you will do is go to party section, which is on the bottom of your screen. So what you will have to do is just click that and just choose any friend that you would want to chat. So for example, this friend right here. So what you will have to do is just send them any message that you want, and then you will just have to click this button right here, which is that airplane button. So yeah, you will just have to click that in order for you to send a message that you want. And yeah, that's basically just how it is. And I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.